Good morning, students. Always welcome back to Rasar class. Students, today I am going to tell you about the article writing. Before come to the point, I would like to tell you that the article is asked of 10 marks in the board examinations. So students, please get ready with your pen and notebook and listen to me carefully whatever I will tell you. So please students, first of all write down topic article writing. So students, what do you mean by an article? Here write down definitions. An article is a highly structured and directional piece of writing written for a specific purpose like informing, persuading, entertaining, or convincing the reader. It has 4 to 6 paragraphs containing a distinct beginning, a middle, and a conclusion. So students, you will write this definition and after that write down heading format of an article. While writing an article, you have to pay attention. There are some parts of an article by which you will write neat and correct. So write down students first here title or heading. First of all, you will write title or heading. The first letter of each word should be written in capital of title or heading. It may comprise a single word, phrase, or a sentence of 4 to 6 words. The title should be thought catchy and should highlight the theme. Here, second one is introduction. In the first paragraph, you will write introduction about the heading or topic. It provides some interesting information or fact related to the context or topic. In the third, description of the topic. Here in the second and third paragraph, you will write description of the topic. You have to highlight various facts of topic like the causes and effect, advantages and disadvantages, etc. In the fourth paragraph, you have to write ending. Wind up your article with your own views, criticism or suggestions, etc. In the fifth paragraph, you have to write conclusion and in your article. So end the article with a desire, an appeal or warning. And at last, you can write the name of the writers. You have to keep in your mind that the signature of your article with your name. The name can come either just after the heading or at the end. Students, so I think you must have understood through this format. There are only 6 parts of an article which you have to remember, and with the help of these parts, you can write the article very well. Now I am going to tell you MS. MS means marking scheme. So marking scheme of this article has been divided into 3 parts. First, format. Format contains title and writer's name which is given in the question paper. Second one is content. Contents your creativity involved in the show of your ideas and thoughts. And at last you will write expression. In the expression, your grammatical accuracy or spelling errors can be done relevant ideas and thoughts. So students, you have to pay attention that while writing article there shouldn't be any grammatical mistakes or spelling mistakes. You have to write the article in very simple or correct language so that the examiner may understand your article, and in this way you can get good marks. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.